Welcome to the Long Room with Joel and Chrissy. I'm Joel, and Chrissy's running the camera. And today I'm going to be sharing with you my brand new slaw recipe, which I don't like slaw, but I thought up something to make. As far as the slaw recipe goes, it was really good, really good. So stick around, we'll be right back. Okay, for those of you who know me, know that I hate anything with a mayonnaise base. Working in Chick-fil-A, we used to do coleslaw, which had a very heavy mayo in it that I had to make on certain. I had to make it at certain times, so I had to handle the mayonnaise. But I didn't like our slaw because of the mayonnaise base. And so I'm thinking the other day, I'm thinking, you know, I like some of the ingredients in a slaw, like the carrots, and I like the red cabbage that we have on our Chick-fil-A wraps, but now we use red cabbage instead of green cabbage instead of red cabbage. So I kind of like cabbage a little bit. I don't like it cooked because it smells bad. But I do like cabbage a little bit. I like carrots. And so what I was thinking was I would add me a kind of something that was thick like mayo, but add it as a base and make a new slaw. I'm sure somebody has done this before, but it just came to me. So this is what I'm doing. I've got some green cabbage, some carrots, which I've already cut some of these. I got cucumbers, that's right, because I like cucumbers, because I know I love pickles. And so what I'm doing is I'm taking an old cheese slicer here, cheese grater, and I'm grating up, that's the shredded cabbage, green cabbage. And I'll take the carrots and I'll do the same thing. But I take the cabbage and I just cut it. I cut the core out and then I cut it in 4ths or 8ths or however you want to do it. Now I was taking it on the big side here and I just like this.
It's messy.
It is messy. And so this is how it comes out. It kind of looks like a slaw there. And so I just put that in the bowl there. Do a little bit more. Ooh, gotta watch out. They're not as bad as the old mandolin slicer we used to use for slicing cabbage at work, but it'll still get you from time to time. And then the carrots.
Watch those knuckles.
Yeah. Then the carrots do it the same way. But from the end, you get that as good as you can. Take that, put that in. I need a little more carrot there.
Since you are just winging this, you don't really have measurements for these things.
That is correct. I just go until I think it looks good. Until it has a good even color to it. I peel my carrots, sorry.
And I do not, because we get organic for a reason, but...
Well, here we go. Okay, so you just take that and take the cut in like this. Just gonna go in it like that. Really easy. Okay.
You may not be able to tell, but what the shredder, the grater is setting on there is actually a clear cutting board. So most of it we'll just be able to pick up the whole cutting board and clean it off. It's not all over the counter like
Correct.
It looks like it is. But yeah, that right there.
Okay, so this is kind of what it looks like right now. I had some of the smaller batch I'd already made. So you can add a little more carrot in there if you like. I probably would. I'm not going to this time, just for time's sake. And then I'll just take my cucumbers. Now, the thing about the cucumbers is if you don't like the taste of cabbage, but you still want to eat it, the cucumbers are strong enough that it takes away the flavor. It adds more of the flavor of the cucumber to the slaw than the cabbage does. So if you don't like cabbage, you can always mask its flavor with something else. And I do that with cucumbers. Well, that's what I'm starting to do because this is a new thing I've done that just did today.
Yep.
We actually went out for unscheduled grocery pickup. And I said, hey, well, I'll just grab these things.
What he means by unscheduled grocery pickup is we went to Aldi's real quick to see if we could find some chicken and stuff because it wasn't available at Kroger or Walmart this week. So we just decided to go in there, and while we were in there, we decided to pick up those ingredients.
That is correct. So you can have these as thick or as thin as you like, as many of them as you like. I like a lot of cucumbers because I like pickles. So, and then for my
so you like what?
pickles.
You haven't told us before.
Have I not told y'all that? I like pickles. So you just kind of mix that around in there like that. It kind of looks like a slaw. I mean, you could eat it like that if you wanted to, but I'm going to wash my hands for a minute.
By the way, if you can make out that in the background there, that is recipes for pulled pork. Is what he's having for dinner tonight. So,
I may make a slaw burger.
His bacon slaw there will be a good addition to pulled pork.
No, this is the new trend in slaw. I can tell you now. And so for my base, I'm going to use yellow mustard. Now you could use spicy mustard if you want to, if you like a little kick to it.
Yeah, spicy mustard.
But for now, this is what I had in the house. So.
Yes, this is what we have.
And I don't really, like she said, I really don't have measurements for this yet. A couple of good teaspoons there. And then just mix it around, kind of like that, until it kind of gets a good consistency to it. You don't want a lot of mustard because the mustard is going to overpower the taste of everything else. But I like mustard, so
You like mustard?
And pickles, because y'all didn't know that. So this is kind of what it looks like. Like I said, I probably have a little more cabbage in there that I wanted, but I thought I was going to have a little more cucumber too. But this is kind of what it looks like. And I've already tasted it because I already made a small batch today. But I'm going to taste it again for you. So you make sure you get a little carrot, a little cucumber on there, a little mustard in there, and just take a big bite. That's good. Never thought I would like slaw, but I really like this. So there you go. So don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell for new content from us, and then comment below if you like slaw, you don't like slaw, however you like it. If you try this, make this at home, you can improve upon it. Absolutely do that.
If you do, and you're on Instagram, hashtag The Long Run with Joel and Christy, let us know.
Tag us in it so we know.
Or comment below so that we know. That's right.
So for The Long Run with Joel and Christy, I'm Joel. And that's Christy behind the camera. Yeah, that's right. We'll see you next time. Bye.